Welcome back. So glad you could join us again today. Today I thought we'd do a fantastic little sensor cleaning. You might think it's one of the scariest things to do as an artist, but I promise it'll lead you on to bigger and better things. Facing your fears is an important part of self-growth. What you'll need today is a titanium purple cleaning swab, a concrete quartz rocket blower, and some pretty little watercolor cleaning solution. Yeah. I've taken the liberty of uncovering this shimmering rainbow sensor. Next, we'll prep our brush. We're going to use an unopened one for this because we want to ensure that we're not adding any dust to our painting. This is about removal, not adding to the mess. So let's start out today with some sensor cleaning fluid. Just add a little bit on your brush. A nice fine misting. We don't want to drown it, just water it like a happy little flower. Once you're ready, we're going to start with a nice, gentle brush stroke. Full coverage of the sensor. There. Just barely touching. Gentle but firm. Then we'll come back using the other side of the brush. Do a quick check and see if we can spot any dust particles. If you happen to see a couple, don't panic. We can just repeat the process over if you think you need to. There he is, another happy little paintbrush ready to be watered again. We'll take a little bit of sensor cleaner and go back in. Just drop it right in and give it a couple of firm but gentle strokes. Once it looks good to you, we can step back and admire our work. I knew you could do it. This is worth being proud of. Now you can go out into the world and continue to make art you can be happy with. Hopefully you've cleaned it up well enough that I won't have to see you again next week. Until then, from all of us here, happy snapping. God bless.